Vice President Kashim Shettima has arrived in Abuja from Luanda, Angola, after successfully representing President Tinubu at the 7th African Union-European Union Summit held in the country. The Vice President had on Sunday departed South Africa for Luanda after a successful outing at the 2025 Group of 20 Leaders Summit in Johannesburg, where he also represented the President. In Angola, Senator Shettima delivered President Tinubu's statement in which the Nigerian leader intensified the nation's call for Africa to secure permanent seats with a veto-wielding authority on the United Nations Security Council, insisting that comprehensive reform of the global governance system is long overdue. The president in a statement also tasked the European Union with co-creating peace and security initiatives alongside its African partners anchored on African-led frameworks as a pathway to achieving sustainable stability across the continent.